Hey there, Ben Lipper here. I have a robot that can launch bean bags onto the pyramid. Go ahead and check out Fireball. Now, Fireball is an awesome robot and a really great spot to get started. If you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, maybe that's something I'm interested in building, there's a link underneath this video. Go ahead and click it and your email address, and I will email you a bunch of photos and details on this robot, as well as step-by-step instructions for many parts of it, especially the most challenging parts. Now, if you're curious how those are legal, they're from VEX's website. I'll be sending you the link and step numbers, but you need to know where to click and where to go, and so I'll send you all of that information. I'll also send you details on all the parts that are not built from VEX's website. That way you can go ahead and combine them together. This is kind of a conglomerate of 2 or 3 robots. So go ahead and click the link under this video. I'll send you a bunch of details. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.